I was sent the Bold Unique BoldPlex Bond Travel Kit, and this is awesome. First of all, I just like the travel bag, if anything, but I like how it all comes together. You're gonna get the strengthening shampoo, the strengthening conditioner, and then also the restore treatment. So this is like a really deep conditioning hair mask. You're gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes once your hair has already been shampooed, conditioned, and then towel dry it, put it on for 10 minutes, and then wash it out, and you'll see your hair will feel so incredibly soft. So I love that these are travel size. You can take them with you, so you know you won't have to use like the hotel shampoo and conditioner that sometimes feels like you're just putting soap in your hair. These will leave your hair feeling so soft, especially if you have dry and damaged hair. Also, if you just want to try this brand, but you don't want to commit to the larger size, I always think the travel kits are a great way to try out something new before you commit to the largest size of it. So I love that you get all 3 pieces, and you get this handy travel bag as well, which is so great. And plus, it makes a really good gift.